Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale SEO strategies with Moz, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your SEO strategies effectively using Moz, follow these steps. Begin by logging into your Moz account. If you do not have an account, create one to access all the tools available. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of your site's performance and metrics. Next, explore the Keyword Explorer. Input a keyword relevant to your niche to discover its potential. Analyze the search volume, difficulty, and organic click-through rate. Utilize this data to prioritize your target keywords. Now, move to the Site Audit tool. Run an audit to identify issues affecting your site's SEO health. Review the results to pinpoint areas for improvement. Next, focus on the on-page grader. Enter a specific URL to analyze its optimization. Receive detailed recommendations on how to enhance the page. After addressing these suggestions, revisit your keyword research. Look for long-tail keywords that can drive targeted traffic. Incorporate these keywords into your existing content. Next, utilize Moz Link Explorer. Input your domain to evaluate your current backlink profile. Identify high-quality websites that link to your competitors. Develop a strategy to acquire similar backlinks for your site. Now, use the rank tracker. Add your target keywords to track their performance over time. Analyze ranking changes and adjust your SEO strategies accordingly. Monitor your organic traffic through Google Analytics. Compare data from different periods to assess improvements. Lastly, stay updated with Moz resources and webinars. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.